Hello everyone, this is Constance Wang from Taiwan. Today I'm going to make apricot Freesia Hazelnut oil Marseille soap. The oil I use is 72% hazelnut oil, 8% palm oil, and 20% palm kernel oil. 大家好，今天呢，我要做的是那个杏子小苍兰榛果油马赛皂。使用的油品有72% 的榛果油、8% 的棕榈油以及20% 的棕榈核仁油。那香氛是那个bramble 的杏子小苍兰。那我们开始做皂喽。The fragrance oil is 3% of the total oil, and that's from bramble. 我总共放了3% 的准油重的香氛。Making a solid color soap requires more careful discharge of the bubbles in order to look good and beautiful. 制作纯色的肥皂呢，需要更仔细的排出气泡，才能看起来更美观。 21 hours, I demold the soap and cut the soap immediately. 经过了21小时呢，我就将皂脱模，然后立即的切皂。To make this kind of soap, you need to keep warm. Otherwise, it will be difficult to remove from the mold. At the same time, the temperature of this soap is slow to cool down. It is recommended to demold more than 24 hours or longer. 要做这种肥皂呢，需要保暖，否则呢会很难脱模。那同时呢，这个肥皂的温度，升温、降温都蛮慢的。那建议脱模时间呢，最好是超过24小时或者是更长。